Every busy kitchen, bar, hotel, or healthcare facility depends on a steady supply of ice. Scotsman ice machines are built to keep up with that demand, but choosing the right machine comes down to more than production alone. Ice type, storage, setup, efficiency, and ease of use all play a role in finding the right fit. The first place to start is ice type. Not every business uses ice the same way, and the shape you choose can affect everything from drink quality and presentation to melt rate and customer experience. Scotsman offers 4 main types of ice, each designed for a different use case. Nugget ice is soft, chewable, and easy to enjoy, making it a popular option for beverages, healthcare, hospitality, and self-serve applications. Cube ice, including full cube and half cube options, is a strong all-purpose choice for restaurants, bars, and everyday beverage service because it chills drinks effectively and holds its shape well during service. Gourmet ice is often used when presentation matters, especially for cocktails, premium beverages, and front-of-house service. Flake ice is commonly used for food displays, seafood, produce, and healthcare applications where soft, moldable ice is useful. Once you know the type of ice your business needs, the next step is matching production and storage to demand. Production tells you how much ice the machine can make over time. Storage tells you how much ice is ready when your team needs it most. Both matter, because your busiest moments may not match your average daily usage. A bar may need more ice during evening service. A hotel may need steady ice availability throughout the day. A healthcare facility may need reliable access across multiple shifts. The right machine should support not just how much ice you use, but when and how quickly you use it. That's why it helps to look at production capacity, bin size, and peak demand together. A machine may produce enough ice over a full day, but if the storage bin is too small for your busiest rush, your team can still run short. After you know what type of ice you need and how much ice your business uses, the next question is where the machine will go and what it needs to operate properly. Scotsman offers different machine styles, including countertop, under-counter, modular, and dispenser options. The right setup depends on your space, your workflow, and how your team needs to access ice throughout the day. A modular machine may need a separate bin for storage. An under-counter unit can help keep ice close without taking up extra floor space. A countertop dispenser can make ice easier to access in self-serve or high-traffic areas. No matter the style, it's important to think through water filtration, drainage, airflow clearance, and service access before the machine arrives. Planning those details ahead of time can make installation smoother and help your ice machine perform the way it should from day one. Efficiency is another factor to consider. Many newer commercial ice machines are moving toward R290 refrigerant, which is part of a broader industry shift toward lower global warming potential refrigerants. For buyers, this makes it worth looking at newer Scotsman models, energy use, and long-term equipment requirements before making a decision. You do not need to become a refrigeration expert, but it helps to know what newer technology means for your operation. Beyond production and setup, Scotsman also focuses on making ice machines easier to use and manage. Depending on the model, features like Prodigy Plus Smart Technology, auto alert indicator lights, IceLink app connectivity, and unit-specific QR code access can help operators check machine status, review important information, troubleshoot issues, and stay on top of cleaning and maintenance. Other features, like very smart ice level control, water sensor technology, and ice thickness sensing can support it. Smoother ownership experience by giving operators more control, better visibility, and less guesswork during daily use. The best ice machine is not just the one that makes enough ice. It's the one your team can understand, monitor, clean, and maintain with confidence. Before buying, it's also important to think ahead to maintenance. Ice machines need routine cleaning, descaling, water filtration, and access for service. Choosing a machine that fits your space and is easier to maintain can help reduce surprises later and keep your operation running smoothly. When you're choosing a Scotsman ice machine, Burkett can help you compare ice types, production needs, storage, setup requirements, and compatible options. Explore Scotsman ice machines at burkett.com or contact our team to find the right fit for your operation.